Hello everyone. In today's Skull Island profile, I'm going to be doing is Skull Island seagull is a species of seagull indigenous to the island. One of the seabirds of the island, they nested in the cliffs where they preyed on discus and had their nest raided by the dragon skin. Outside of this, these birds are opportunistic, like the other gulls in the family, and are known to scavenge for scraps from kills done by coastal predators like the Acedactylus and Tartorosaurus. Appearance-wise, these seagull species bears a lot of resemblance to the other seagull across the world. Although the Skull Island species has a more pronounced head, possibly to strengthen its jaw muscles to rip apart tougher more cells. When Skull Island sank, the seagulls would have most likely fled to nearby island chains in the South Pacific, meaning that these Skull Island seagulls survived when the island sank. And they're out there. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and see you later, guys.